One of the unique technologies that sets Leibinger apart in the industry is our fully automatic nozzle sealing technology, standard across all of our printers. It's a game changer for coding and marking, keeping print heads sealed when not in use, preventing ink from drying, and eliminating downtime. At PACK EXPO, we're showcasing some of our most popular printers in the North American market, all equipped with this innovative technology. The IQJET represents the future of intelligent coding and marking. With 5 years of maintenance-free operation, it offers the lowest total cost of ownership in its class. Its plug-and-print functionality integrates effortlessly into automated production lines, ensuring zero downtime and ultimate ease of use. Perfect for businesses that prioritize sustainability, the IQJET minimizes resource consumption while maximizing long-term efficiency.
The JET1 is your entry into the Leibinger experience, delivering top-quality performance at an attractive price. Unlike many CIJ printers that struggle with frequent startups and shutdowns, the JET1 starts back up quickly thanks to Leibinger's unique, fully automatic nozzle sealing system. For industries with seasonal or intermittent production, our printers ensure efficient, reliable startup even after extended pauses. This printer is the ideal choice for businesses that value high-quality coding without the higher capital costs.
A impressora JET2 NEO é uma solução confiável e acessível para aplicações a jato de tinta contínuo com tintas padrão ou semi-pigmentadas. Ela imprime até 3 linhas e é uma excelente opção tanto para pequenos, médios quanto para grandes volumes de produção. A plataforma JET2 NEO é popular em indústrias de diversos segmentos ao redor de todo o mundo por sua versatilidade, confiabilidade e facilidade no uso.
El JET3 SE forma parte de la plataforma de impresoras JET3 diseñada para entornos exigentes donde las condiciones como la humedad y el polvo o incluso el agua pueden presentar desafíos. Industrias como la de alimentos y bebidas confían en estas impresoras por su alta fiabilidad y rendimiento continuo, ya sea que estés gestionando entornos hostiles o líquidos. La familia de JET3 ofrece resultados consistentes y de alta calidad.
And that's just part of what Leibinger offers. We provide a full range of coding and marking solutions, each tailored to fit your specific needs. From comprehensive consultation to free product sampling, on-site visits and installation, we guide you every step of the way. With our in-house ink production and testing at our new application center in Germany, we ensure complete customer satisfaction. Whether you are in food, beverage, FMCG, or any other industry, Leibinger has the solutions to keep your production lines efficient and reliable. Visit us at PACK EXPO, booth 39 and 36, and discover how our technology can help transform your business.